Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing access. Obtain your cPanel username, hostname, and port, and make sure SFTP or shell access is enabled for that account. Once done, generate an SSH key pair on your machine with SSH keygen TRSA 4096. This provides stronger auth than passwords. Next, upload the public key to cPanel's SSH/SFTP keys area and authorize it for the target account so you can connect securely without exposing passwords. Now configure VSCode. Install remote SSH for shell-based work or a trusted SFTP extension to edit files directly. Then add a host entry in your // SSH/config pointing to the cPanel host, user, port, and identity file path, or enter the same details into the extension UI. Once configured, use remote SSH. Connect to host or the SFTP extensions, connect command to open the remote file system. This creates a live editing session so you can save straight to the server. Finish by setting the remote working directory and file permissions so uploads land in public HTML or your app folder. Make sure VS Code's remote terminal works. You'll then run deploy tasks or build commands remotely without extra transfers. If something goes wrong, first check your private key permissions. chmod 600, confirm the public key is authorized in cPanel, verify SSH/SFTP is allowed by the host firewall, and test with SSH VVV to see detailed errors. That usually pinpoints the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.